Welcome to the 10bucksoroom.com licensee dashboard. This is where you manage the day-to-day operation of your cleaning business from one simple place. From the dashboard, you can quickly see what is happening in your business, including jobs, customers, team activity, payments, and messages. When a new cleaning job comes in, it can be viewed and managed right inside the app. You can review the customer information, check the job details, confirm the scheduled service, and assign the job to the right crew member. Instead of chasing texts, paperwork, or scattered notes, everything stays organized inside the system. You can also track your team, see job activity, review completed work, and keep communication in one place. The goal is simple: give each licensee a clear, professional system to help them run their business without confusion. This app helps you stay organized, respond faster, manage jobs better, and operate like a real cleaning company from day one. With 10bucksoroom.com, you are not starting from scratch. You are starting with the brand, the tools, and the system already built for you.